Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it is Monday. Over the weekend I did do Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it is Monday. I need to clean my kitchen. I need to clean my house. So yeah, let's get to it. But first, I want to start my diffuser. I need something fall aroma to get me in the mood, something uplifting. So this is what I'm going to put in my diffuser. Okay, love my lantern diffuser. So here I actually have my fall blend. It's cinnamon, orange, clove, nutmeg, vanilla, and a little bit of grapefruit, just so I can get more citrus. But this is my blend that I am using now during the fall season. I use one of these little pipettes in my diffuser. I'm gonna fill the water up to the line. Here we go. And let's get it started. All right, I forgot to let you guys know that this is actually one of the new products Young Living has. It's wipes. Oh my gosh, so my mom actually gifted me this. This was definitely one of the things I wanted to try over the holiday launch. And you know what? This is gonna be my first time using it on my countertops. So let's see how well it works. All right. All you do is pull one out. Oh, hold on. It's hard to do it like this. There we go. Just shove it back down there. Okay, you get one of these wipes. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, okay, that's very convenient. So I'm actually gonna put one to the side. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so good. Very citrusy. I feel like there's more orange in this. Oh, but it is cleaning very nicely. I'm definitely going to use the other wipe right away before it dries out to clean my countertops. But you guys, it smells so good. Yeah, I'd say that worked. it definitely needs some TLC. So I'm gonna leave this for about 5 minutes, let everything soak up. I'll wipe it down and then do another round of my Thieves household cleaner. But then I'm gonna add the kitchen and bath scrub. If you guys don't have this, this is a must-have. Okay, I needed a break. I needed some water and especially electrolytes. It's a hot day today. Make sure you guys stay hydrated. All right, you guys, that is it. I'm done for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you got any questions, leave a comment down below. If you haven't already, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe. I am trying to grow my channel. So till my next video, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.